This is Confidence Tactics number 5 with me, Tyler Pazik. So today we are talking about productive thoughts, because those productive thoughts create images as well in your head, and then those images create feelings in your body. And of course we want to go out there and duplicate a good feeling of a shot, good feeling of a swing, good feeling of a kick, whatever it might be. So how do we fill our heads with productive thoughts? And what happens when we have these unproductive or negative thoughts in our head, right? Well, if we have that, it all comes back to this acronym AIR, A-I-R, awareness, interrupt, replace. So first you need to build awareness. Is this thought helping me or is this thought hurting me? And having that thought awareness comes with time and comes with reflection and comes with noticing your thoughts in the moment. Well, after you catch that thought, if it is hurting you or if it is a unproductive thought, you have to interrupt it. And you can interrupt it with a breath, physical action, and a verbal trigger saying like next pitch or next play or next point, whatever it might be, and then replacing it with what you do want to be thinking about, getting back to the do zone, as I call it, right? And you get back from, okay, I don't want to be late, so what do I want to do? Well, I do want to be on time. So instead of thinking about don't be late, don't be late, don't be late, thinking be on time, be on time. And so you caught that thought, you had awareness, you caught that don't be late thought, you interrupted it, hopefully with a physical action, a breath, and then you replaced it with be on time. So those productive thoughts help you build confidence in the moment, but it's being aware of when you don't have that productive thought and then replacing that unproductive thought with what you do want to be thinking about. That is confidence tactic number 5 with me, Tyler Pazik.